Seatbelt?
Check this out. Let's check it out a little bit.
The pretty steep drop down there. I mean, I think we could probably get down to that where it kind of levels off for a second. We can always turn around there and come back up, I think. What the hell? What's the worst thing that happened? I don't know, death, dismemberment. But yeah, seatbelts are probably.
Of all the times.
Yeah, you never get them on once you're on a hill like this usually. Oh, doggy.
Yeah. Yeah, record our final moment.
Yeah. Gotta get our facial expressions as we fall off this cliff. Whoever discovers it can upload it to YouTube.
That's what's important, is to get a good YouTube video out of
Gotta
it.
get the views. Absolutely. I mean, if we're gonna die anyway.
What we need to check out here. How gnarly is it gonna get here?
It doesn't look terrible, but I kind of want to get out.
Does it go anywhere is the real question. The creek of the river, is over there, the creek.
We just drive along the river.
It looks like this does kind of connect.
This is a hill that we never would have attempted before.
Check it out again.
Good?
Ah! The hornet crawling inside my glasses.
For our descent into death.
Only at 20 degrees right now.
Tyler said he's gonna ride back on the bumper.
Then you can jump off. That's probably smart.
Yeah. Good to go?
I guess. Seems ill-advised, but what the hell?
Nope. Still not happening.
Yeah, no. This
Super sketchy.
is super.
We're kind of committed though.
Yeah, we are.
We're about at 30, so we're about at our limit here.
So when I said all the NARS,
Is this more NARS than you needed?
no, this is. I didn't expect you to actually find all of the NARS.
Just keep us from drifting that way. Oh yeah.
Don't want to get sideways on this. I'm not sure what angle is our sort of rollover limit, honestly.
That's a good question.
Okay. Well, but cheeks are clean.
Maybe we need to get out and check this again.
That's great.
That looks like quite a drop there.
Yeah. It looks like it's kind of going like right.
Careful. Yeah, like extremely careful. But you want to, I wouldn't go this way because you're going to want to drift into those trees.
Yeah. We'll just go right up straight forward, I think.
No, but I barely use it.
Yeah. I know we can get to the bottom of it. So if anything, we should try it from the bottom sometime, maybe.
It was a bit of a slide getting down here, though, so we'll let you know if we can't make it.
All right, so now we just got to get turned around.
Sorry, Tyler.
You're good. Don't care.
We're gonna get a little sideways, get a little hairy. All right. That's the point of maximum sidewaysness for the most part.
Back and spin around.
Yeah, I unlocked the diff there for a second. I figured if anything, I'd let the back end slide. Slide, 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 slide. But I'm in reverse, not forward. Alright, hopefully we're not going to have to winch up this. But we might. That's going to be annoying and tedious.
Just don't slide back, man.
Yeah.
You're getting
Yeah.
kind of close. About 10 feet, 5 feet for safety. Tyler's like, seatbelt. Mine's still stuck.
Yeah, it's not giving me the opportunity here.
Yeah, get some speed up. Uh-oh. 32 degrees. 30 degrees might just about be our limit, I think. I don't know if I should back up and try again or just take what we've got and start winching at this point. We don't have to go that far before we were probably in the clear.
You're right. Maybe we could winch. But, I mean, maybe give it one more try. But I don't know. You just make it pretty far.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think we're probably going to do any better than that, probably. So we winch it.
Yeah. Just get us out of here. I'm glad we decided to go with you.
Yeah.
Right?
All right. I'm going to do some winch break.
Never had to get out of a car on a 30-degree incline before.
Oh, my bad. I'm hard to stand. Scooted far up. That's okay. I'm sorry. Just a little bit. My shoes.
Everything's like sliding out of the back of the Subaru.
Awesome. Got taut?